Let me show you how to change the time or also completely disable the time and date on your dashcam. So if you have a dashcam like this, we can simply press and hold the M button over here. But also make sure the camera is actually not recording while you press, otherwise it won't work. So then, yeah, basically we are going to click this M once more to enter this settings menu. So if I zoom in, you see we have the date and time. Again, confirm with this plus to enter this menu. Okay, so you see you can simply like use these buttons to cycle to the correct months and the day. So this is actually months and the latest one is date. Again, use this to like cycle down. So you see to whatever you need the time. And also, I'm not sure why it's actually like this. Oh, I see, like the date format we can also change it over. So just as you need. So you see we can change this just as you need. And once you are satisfied, again, we can simply like, yeah, press this M to return. So can we actually like remove the time completely? Okay, it appears on this camera we actually can't unfortunately remove the time completely, so it's kind of stuck basically there. So to return again, simply press this and you have your correct time now. Okay, like